Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be going over the latest feature in the LoginTC Manager, which is called Smart Policy Suggestions. So let's get started. So right now I'm logged into my account in LoginTC and I've just pulled up the dashboard. So as you can see here, there's two new ways that we can get into our new Suggestions tab. First, there's a new card on the dashboard here, and that lists how many suggestions are active. And as well, in the sidebar here, it also gives me a notification counter of how many suggestions are currently active and being recommended to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. As we can see here, there's 3 new suggestions that are being recommended to help me really better use my LoginTC software. So the first one is letting me know that I don't currently have passwords enabled as being required for new administrators to my organization. The second item here is letting me know that I don't have at least 2 super administrators in my account. And thirdly, it's just letting me know that I don't have a custom domain icon set up currently. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first suggestion here. So here again, it's saying, currently administrators are not required to set up a password when they're logging into my organization. So just to be extra secure, we're going to want to change that. In this suggestion, it shows me what steps I need to follow to enable required passwords. It also links me to a tutorial here in our video library that walks me through how to do this and how to add a password to my account. So this is something that I could send to my administrators as well to let them know how they can set up passwords for their accounts. So let's go ahead and do those first steps. So under Setup, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to scroll down, and under Organization Login Password, we'll just hit Enable. Enable again in the dialog window. And as we can see here now, passwords have been enabled. So when we go into our Suggestions tab, we can see that this flag only says 2 and that the 1 suggestion has been removed from the list because we've completed it. So let's take a look at this second suggestion here. Say I'm just a 1-person IT team and I don't really have somebody that I could add as a second super administrator, and I don't want to keep seeing this suggestion pop up in my dashboard. What I can do is go to the top right-hand corner here. I can click Ignore again in the dialog window, and when I hit Done, it'll show me that this suggestion has been ignored. So when I go back into the tab, it still appears, but it's no longer active. So that's our latest feature, Smart Policy Suggestions. There is a link in the description below to our complete blog post about it. And if you're interested in more videos about MFA and about LoginTC specifically, feel free to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And as always, if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.